Hello everyone. Today I will talk about capacitors and DC circuits. In this video, I will explain what capacitors are, how they work, and how they behave when connected to a DC source. A capacitor is an electronic component that stores electrical energy. It stores energy in the form of an electric field. Capacitors are used in many electronic circuits because they can store energy and release it when needed. A capacitor consists of two metal plates separated by a dielectric material. The dielectric prevents direct contact between the plates and helps the capacitor store electrical energy between them. When a DC voltage is applied, charges start building up on the plates of the capacitor. As these charges accumulate, energy is stored between the plates in the form of an electric field. We can also describe the capacitor using some basic relationships. The main formula is C equals Q over V. From this, we can also rearrange it to find charge as Q equals C times V, or voltage as V equals Q over C. These equations help us understand how charge, voltage, and capacitance are related to each other in a capacitor. At first, current flows through the circuit and the capacitor starts charging. During this process, the voltage across the capacitor increases gradually as more charge is stored. In a DC circuit, current flows while the capacitor is charging. As the capacitor stores more energy, the current decreases until the charging process is complete. When the capacitor is fully charged, the current becomes zero. At this point, the capacitor acts as an open circuit because it blocks the flow of steady DC current. A camera flash is a common example of a capacitor. The capacitor stores energy from the battery and then releases it very quickly, producing a bright flash of light when the photo is taken. So, capacitors are useful devices that store electrical energy and have a special behavior in DC circuits. They allow current to flow only during charging and block it when fully charged. Thank you for listening. I hope this video helped you understand capacitors and DC circuits.